Is your PC running hotter than it should? The right case can drop temperatures, improve performance, and even extend the life of your components. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 airflow PC cases that keep temps low like a pro while still looking amazing on your desk. Starting off the list is the MOROVOL PC Case 621, a budget-friendly ATX mid-tower designed for gamers who want strong airflow and eye-catching aesthetics without spending premium money. Featuring a diamond pattern mesh front panel, tempered glass side panel, USB 3.0 connectivity, and 4 pre-installed ARGB fans, the MOROVOL offers an impressive amount of value right out of the box. In real-world gaming and productivity systems, it provides solid cooling performance and enough space for most modern hardware while keeping the building process straightforward. Compared to budget alternatives like the CoolerMaster MasterBox Q300L, the MOROVOL delivers a stronger showcase appearance and more included cooling hardware. While it doesn't quite match the refinement and premium materials of higher-end cases from CORSAIR or NZXT, it remains a fantastic option for first-time builders and gamers looking for strong airflow, ARGB lighting, and excellent value. If affordability is your top priority, the MOROVOL makes a compelling first impression. Next up is the NZXT H3 Flow, a compact micro ATX chassis that proves you don't need a massive case to house powerful hardware. Built around airflow-focused design principles, it features ultra-fine mesh panels, support for full-sized graphics cards, compatibility with back-connect motherboards, USB-C connectivity, and support for up to a 280 mm front radiator. Compared to the MOROVOL, the H3 Flow sacrifices some RGB flair and included cooling but counters with a more refined design, better space efficiency, and stronger overall build quality. In real-world use, the H3 Flow consistently delivers excellent thermal performance despite its compact footprint, making it ideal for gamers who want a clean, space-saving build. Compared with the LIANLI A3 MATX, it focuses more on affordability and airflow simplicity, while the LIANLI offers additional modularity. For builders who value compactness without compromising performance, the H3 Flow stands out as one of the strongest micro ATX cases available today. What do you think so far? Would you rather have a compact airflow-focused build or a larger RGB showcase system? Let me know below. Moving on, we have the CORSAIR 3500X RS ARGB, a case that immediately elevates the premium factor. Featuring stunning wraparound tempered glass panels, 3 pre-installed RS120R ARGB fans, GPU anti-sag support, reverse connection motherboard compatibility, and support for multiple 360 mm radiators, this case is built for modern high-end systems. Compared with the NZXT H3 Flow, the 3500X offers significantly more visual impact and upgrade flexibility, while the H3 Flow maintains an advantage in compactness. Compared to the MOROVOL, the CORSAIR delivers a much more refined building experience, better cable management, and stronger support for premium hardware configurations. In real-world gaming and workstation builds, the 3500X combines strong cooling performance with one of the cleanest-looking presentations available today. While competitors like the LIANLI Langcool 266 may edge ahead in raw airflow numbers, the CORSAIR counters with superior showcase aesthetics and modern features. For builders who want their PC to become the centerpiece of their setup, the 3500X is incredibly difficult to ignore. Next in the lineup is the CoolerMaster MasterBox Q300L, one of the most popular compact budget cases on the market. Designed for micro ATX systems, it features a fully perforated exterior, magnetic dust filters, an adjustable modular I/O panel, and support for surprisingly large graphics cards despite its compact size. Compared to the NZXT H3 Flow, the Q300L is often more affordable and highly versatile, though the H3 Flow generally delivers stronger airflow and a more premium design. Compared with the MOROVOL, the Q300L sacrifices RB aesthetics but gains portability and a much smaller footprint. In real-world use, it remains a favorite among budget gamers, students, and entry-level builders because of its flexibility and excellent value. While the thinner steel construction doesn't feel as premium as cases like the CORSAIR 3500X, it continues to offer one of the best entry points into PC building for those working with limited space and budgets. Next up is the GAMDIAS White ARG-B Gaming Mid-Tower, a chassis designed for gamers who want their system to stand out. Featuring a tempered glass side panel, airflow-oriented mesh ventilation, and 3 pre-installed ARG-B fans, this case balances cooling and visual appeal effectively. Compared with the MOROVOL, the GAMDIAS offers a cleaner, more premium-looking exterior while maintaining a similar focus on RGB aesthetics. Compared with the CORSAIR 3500X, it targets a much lower price bracket while sacrificing some premium construction and advanced features. In real-world gaming builds, it provides dependable cooling, attractive lighting, and straightforward installation, making it an appealing option for gamers who prioritize looks without moving into premium territory. If visual appeal matters just as much as performance, the GAMDIAS is a strong contender. Moving into the higher-performing airflow category, we have the bequiet, PureBase 501 Airflow. This compact ATX mid-tower is built for users who care more about cooling efficiency and low noise than flashy ARG-B effects. Equipped with a high airflow front panel, 2 PureWings 3 140mm PWM fans, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C connectivity, and support for vertical GPU installation, it delivers a highly refined user experience. Compared with the GAMDIAS and MOROVOL, the PureBase 501 focuses on acoustics and cooling quality rather than RGB presentation. Compared with the Fractal Design Pop Air, it generally offers quieter stock operation and a more acoustically optimized design. In real-world use, it consistently delivers excellent thermal performance while remaining impressively quiet, making it ideal for gamers, professionals, and creators who want performance without unnecessary noise. Next comes the TGDGAMER Micro ATX case, one of the most affordable and compact options in the lineup. Supporting both Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, this case focuses on space efficiency, affordability, and practicality. Featuring a slim design, USB 3.0 front connectivity, and included cooling fans, it works well for office systems, entry-level gaming PCs, and general-purpose home computers. Compared with the CoolerMaster Q300L, the TGDGAMER prioritizes compactness and affordability, while the Q300L provides superior airflow and broader hardware support. In real-world use, it performs adequately for low to mid-range systems, although users planning high-end GPU upgrades or advanced cooling solutions may eventually outgrow its limitations. For builders prioritizing cost and space savings above all else, however, it remains a reasonable choice. Now we arrive at the LIANLI O11D Mini V2, one of the most anticipated showcase cases in recent years. Featuring a pillar-less panoramic glass design, highly ventilated airflow panels, adjustable I/O positioning, modular interior layouts, and exceptional cable management solutions. The O11D Mini V2 combines premium aesthetics with enthusiast-grade functionality. Compared with the NZXT H3 Flow, it offers significantly greater showcase appeal and customization potential. Compared with the CORSAIR 3500X, the competition becomes much closer, with both cases targeting enthusiasts who want clean, premium-looking builds. In real-world use, the O11D Mini V2 excels in both airflow and presentation, accommodating powerful gaming systems and custom liquid cooling loops while maintaining a compact footprint. For enthusiasts who want one of the most refined showcase cases currently available, the O11D Mini V2 sets a very high standard. Next up is the SAMA V60 Mid-Tower, a case that delivers one of the strongest out-of-the-box cooling packages in the entire comparison. Featuring a curved, tempered glass panel, 7 pre-installed ARG-B PWM fans, a dedicated fan hub, USB Type-C connectivity, support for back-connect motherboards, and compatibility with 360 AS/ME liquid coolers, the V60 is built to impress. Compared with the CORSAIR 3500X, the SAMA includes significantly more cooling hardware right out of the box. Compared with the Montech King 95, it provides stronger stock cooling while maintaining competitive aesthetics. In real-world gaming systems, The V60 consistently delivers excellent airflow and low temperatures without requiring additional fan purchases. For gamers seeking maximum cooling and RGB appeal at a competitive price, the Sama V60 offers tremendous value. Last but certainly not least is the FOIFKIN M1, a case that takes a unique approach by blending gaming aesthetics with elegant design. Featuring a distinctive walnut-inspired front panel, 4 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, USB Type-C connectivity, tempered glass side panel, and support for modern hardware, the M1 immediately stands out from traditional gaming cases. Compared with the Fractal Design North, it offers a similar wood-inspired appearance at a more accessible price point, though the Fractal still holds an advantage in material quality and cooling flexibility. Compared with the Sama V60, the FOIFKIN focuses more on sophistication and design rather than maximum airflow and ARGB intensity. In real-world use, it provides solid cooling, clean cable management, and an appearance that works equally well in gaming rooms and professional workspaces. For builders who want something different from the typical aggressive gaming aesthetic, the FOIFKIN M1 is a refreshing alternative. Those were our picks for the top 10 Airflow PC cases that deliver exceptional cooling and airflow performance. Which one would you choose for your next build? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PC